Thank you to Super Cubes for sending me this 2-cup freezer mold to try out so I could tell you all about it. I was really excited to get these freezer molds because I'm trying to be more frugal and avoid food waste. These are microwave safe and dishwasher safe. And what's amazing is you can even put them in the oven up to 415 degrees. They're very easy to open and they just feel like excellent quality. There's a little tab that you can open them, and the silicone is BPA free, and it just feels really nice. There's a fill line, 1 cup or a 2 cup, so you can see how much of a portion you're putting in there. I made some rice and beans, and I had some leftovers, and this I just took out of the freezer. There's the tab, and just open it up, comes right off. And it's really easy, I found, to pop out your food out of this silicone. You just push it from the bottom and up it comes. And it's great. It's really going to cut down on food waste. It's great if you're cooking just for yourself and you have a lot of leftovers, you're meal prepping, you have a big family. It's just fantastic. And these are BPA free as well. And the silicone is food grade. So if you're looking to save some money and cut down on your food waste, and you tend to have leftovers, or you want to cook ahead, these Super Cubes freezer molds are something that just I'm really impressed with, and I would highly recommend to try out.